What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota Sequoia remote key fob. This Sequoia key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to get the key fob case open is a quarter. If you don't have a quarter available, you can use a similar coin or a flathead screwdriver will work as well, but a quarter works really nicely. So if we grab our key fob and we're looking at it like this, and we take a look at the bottom down near the key ring, we see there's this slot right here that I'm putting the quarter in. So what I'm going to do is hold the fob with the buttons facing down, and then I'm going to stick the quarter in that slot, and then I'm just going to twist it like this, like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, it's going to pop the back of the shell up. So put the quarter all the way in that slot, make sure it's pushed in, and then twist. As you see, the back of the shell will come up. Pull the back of the shell off, and now we see our battery right here, and the battery will just slide out of that holder like that. Now I'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up, slide it in that holder, and then we can go ahead and snap the back on, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.